Why do some monkeys have mounties of bananas while others get barely one? Is it luck, hard work, or something deeper hiding in the jungle economy? Let's talk about capitalism, the monkey way. In the jungle of MonkeyLand, every monkey loved bananas. But one day, a clever monkey named Max had an idea. What if I collect extra bananas and trade them for monkey labor? He hired other monkeys to pick bananas for him. He paid them 1 banana per day while he kept 10. That little monkey is capitalism, an economic system where individuals own businesses and workers get paid in wages. Monkeys could now start their own businesses if they had enough bananas to begin with. So Max did what capitalists do. He offered loans with interest. Bananas. The jungle became busy with monkey markets, banana banks, fruit startups, and vine delivery services. Monkeys could buy, sell, and invest. If a business succeeded, great. If not, boom, bankruptcy. But not all monkeys had the same start in bananas. Some were born with big banana trees. Others had none. Some monkeys said, "That's unfair. Max has hundreds of bananas, and I'll work all day for just one." Max replied, "I took the risk. I deserve the reward." And yes, capitalism rewards innovation and risk. That's why monkey phones, monkey flicks, and even cryptobana coins were born. But when profits became the only goal, things got slippery. Some monkeys chopped down banana forests to build luxury nests. Others sold fake banana juice, cut costs, and underpaid workers, all to earn just 1 more banana. Some monkeys tried to fix this. Let's add rules so every monkey gets a fair shot. So the jungle added things like taxes, minimum banana wage, banana health care, but Max wasn't happy. Too many rules, and I'll stop investing bananas. That's the banana balance of capitalism. Too wild, and the jungle becomes unfair. Too many rules, and monkeys stop building. So what's the answer? A system where monkeys can climb, not just the rich ones born at the top. Capitalism isn't good or bad. It's just bananas, and how you share them matters most. So next time you eat a banana, ask yourself, who picked it, who profited, and who was left hungry?